you've ordered your crate engine, we've already talked about the fact that it's going to come with one of these envelopes that's specific for your engine. And there's tons of great information in here, so you're absolutely going to want to open this and read through it. But one other thing that you are going to get if you order an engine that comes with a distributor is this little cheat sheet here. So whether you run an MSD ready to run, an MSD with a 6AL box, or the HEI, this is going to give you a simple and easy wiring diagram for each one so that you can make your installation as quick as possible. Remember, this engine's going to come with the distributor already installed, the timing already set, the carburetor on it. It's already going to have been run on the dyno. All you're going to have to do is throw it in the car, put your headers on, hook up a couple of wires for your distributor, hook a fuel line to it, and before long, you're going to be making engine noises.